There is no cure for prejudice and resentment unless we are willing to transform. Time to transform our lives. Transformation means you are willing to reform yourself, you're willing to change the very shape of who you are. Because who you are or the shape that you have taken, your mental and personality shapes that you have taken, are essentially your making and probably forced by situations around you, people around you, your reactions to those situations and people. You have taken on a certain shape, essentially an unconscious form. Transformation means you take on a conscious form, free of prejudice, free of resentment, because these are poisons that will rot you from inside and create a very bitter and rusted existence. You will become like this tractor, rusted. You can only be parked with a sad face because all movement in your life will stop. Forward movement at least will stop. The only movement that'll happen is downward movement. If you want forward movement, upward movement, time to change the shape of who you are. Transformation, way forward.